So today's topic is finding the roots of a quadratic equation, right? So first we want to know what is quadratic equation. If the equation is second degree polynomial equation, then it is said to be a quadratic equation, right? So general form of quadratic equation is what? General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So for finding the roots of quadratic equation, we have one formula, right? We have one formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole by 2a by 2a, right? So this is the formula. Once I will show in the Google. See here, this is the formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Plus is the, if we write plus here, it is one root of the quadratic equation. If we write minus here, it is the another root of quadratic equation, right? Okay, then we will find the roots by using C language or any language. Let's code it. Okay, so initially I don't know the a value, b value, c value, so I am reading it. Scanf percentile d. I am reading, just I am writing now algorithm. Read a comma b comma c values, right? A b c. After reading, we have one formula, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So I am writing here minus b. So first I am calculating these value, root of this value I am finding, right? Okay, so what is I am taking a disk as variable, square root of b square means b into b minus 4 into a into c. This is the value, disk value. After finding the disk value, root 1 equal to minus b, I am taking first plus value. Here there are plus or minus, right? I am taking first plus, minus b plus disk means the whole value, the root of this whole value, right? Root of b square minus 4ac, okay, by whole by 2 into a, right? It is the root 1 and root 2 is what? Minus root 2 equal to minus b minus disk by 2 into a, right? 2 into a. This is the root 1 value and this is the root 2 value. So after calculating the root 1 and root 2 value, printing root 1 and root 2, root 1 comma root 2. So this is the simple algorithm for finding the roots of and given quadratic equation. Okay, so let's code it in the online compiler. So I am reading a comma b comma c values, scanf percentile d, address of a, address of b, address of c, right? then I am calculating the disk value, square root. So when we use the math functions like square root, like power function, when we use math functions, basic math functions, we want to import the math.h header file, right? Then only this function will work. Square root of b into b square minus 4 into a into c. This is the disk value. So I am initializing root 1 comma root 2, right? Root 1 equal to what? Root 1 equal to minus b plus disk by 2 into a, right? 2 into a. What is root 2? Root 2 value equal to minus b minus disk by 2 into a, right? 2 into a. After that I am printing the root values. I am taking as float because the answer is in points, right? I am printing the root values. Printf percentile f root 1 is equals to percentile f slash n. Slash n is used for, it will print the output in new line, right? Root 2 is equals to percentile f root 1 comma root 2. Okay, just I am giving here 1 5 6 as input. So what is the output? Here see, square root. So here some error is there. So function square root. Okay, so you see here root 1 is minus 2, root 2 is minus 3, right? This is the output. So we will see another test case also. What is our second test case? 1 minus 3 2, right? 1 minus 3 2. So we will get 2 and 1 are the roots, 1 and 2 or 2 and 1 are the roots. So this is the program for finding the roots of a quadratic equation.